Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can rotate a document in Google Docs. So there is a way to make the entire document, the whole document to be rotated, but there is also another way if you want to, let's say, change the orientation for a specific page. That's also possible too, but let's start with the first guide. To rotate the entire document, you must go to the File menu and then click Page Setup. And then here you can change the orientation from portrait to landscape. There are only two options, and after that you can click OK. Okay, now the document has been converted from portrait to landscape. But what if you just want to change the orientation for a specific page? Well, we can do that too. Let's say I want to make the document, the very first page, to be landscape, but the rest would remain in the portrait mode. So to do that, you have to select all the content from that page. So I'm going to select the content from the very first page. So make sure to select it properly. You have to select all of them. And then you have to visit the File menu again, click Page Setup, and for the Apply to make sure to select the selected content. So this will make sure that the change will only apply to that page. You can change the orientation from, let's say, portrait to landscape, and then click OK. Alright, now the document has been turned into a landscape mode. Well, it looks a bit different. For example, here now there is an extra page. So I don't know if I accidentally select the content from the second page. But basically, yeah, that's the only pages that have a landscape orientation, but the rest would remain in the portrait mode. Yeah, that's basically how you can change the orientation in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.